Moving companies lose a lot of time when booking jobs, building quotes, dispatching trucks, and handling payments through phone calls and spreadsheets, instead of one system built for logistics and scheduling. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits moving companies, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle local moves, long-distance jobs, and crew coordination. Most moving companies need 5 core things from software: fast quote building, job scheduling, dispatching, crew coordination, and invoicing right after delivery is complete. Field service and logistics style software fits this industry best because moving is all about timing, capacity, and coordination across multiple crews and vehicles. Quote building is one of the most important features. Moving jobs depend on factors like distance, number of rooms, packing services, and truck size, so software that helps standardize estimates reduces errors and speeds up sales. Scheduling matters just as much. Moves often happen on tight timelines, so software that helps book jobs clearly and avoid double booking trucks keeps operations running smoothly. Dispatching is another key area. Good systems let you assign crews to trucks, adjust assignments quickly, and keep everyone updated in real time when jobs change during the day. Inventory tracking is also important for moving companies that handle packing services. Knowing what items are loaded, delivered, or stored helps prevent lost or misplaced items during transit. Customer communication tools help reduce confusion on moving day by sending updates, arrival times, and job status notifications without constant phone calls. Invoicing is another critical step. The best systems let you generate invoices immediately after delivery, which helps speed up payment collection and reduces administrative delays. Mobile access is essential because movers need to view job details, update progress, and confirm deliveries directly from the field. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which is useful for confirming item condition before and after moves, especially for high-value or fragile items. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple scheduling tools and full moving management platforms. Simple tools are easier to set up, while full platforms provide stronger control over dispatching, quoting, and job tracking. The right choice depends on your business size and job complexity. Smaller moving companies often prioritize fast quoting and scheduling. Larger operations benefit more from dispatch control, crew coordination, and inventory tracking. A practical next step is to look at how often your team runs into scheduling conflicts or truck availability issues. If that happens frequently, dispatching and scheduling features should be your top priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.